Hey you, and welcome to this video. Today we will help you out with farming gold in Minecraft. There is a couple ways to do this. You can of course farm gold in the overworld early game, but there is a far more efficient way that I'm going to show you today. The only thing you'll need is a pickaxe with silk touch on it and a nether portal. That's pretty much all you need. It can be any rarity above iron pretty much. And then we're gonna make our way into the nether, and the only thing we want to get is a gold vein. So if you farm this with an fortune pickaxe or a normal pickaxe, it's going to drop gold nuggets, which are pretty bad. But if you get a silk touch pickaxe like this, it's going to drop the entire block. As you can see, nether gold ore. And that's pretty much all we need for now. You can pretty much collect as much as you want. You can fill up entire shulker boxes. It's all good. Then we're going to go over to our furnaces. Got a nice little blast furnace right here. We're just gonna put it in. Wait just a second. And as you can see, it's gonna convert it into a gold ingot. And if we were to collect the block with a fortune pickaxe, it's going to only drop 8 gold nuggets, which is not enough for one of these for a whole block. So the ideal way to do it is with the silk touch and then smelting it over into a nugget. That's the easiest way to find gold pretty much, because gold in the nether is literally everywhere. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please consider subscribing, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.